Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Today, Nifty after a gap down open continued and saw a sell off during the first 1 hour of market. But however, from the lower levels, market saw a clear recovery throughout the day. Yes, people were on the sidelines waiting for this opportunity to buy. And let me tell you, single handedly, Reliance Industry today led the recovery after a gap down open in market, and Reliance closed over 1.5%. Now, each one of them in the entire Dalal Street today, entire country today, talks only on one story, that is Adani Group of stocks. We have definitely diverse opinion where some of them say definitely don't even touch Adani Group of stocks because complete stock is held by promoter and indirectly by a group of people through the route of FIIs, or you can say the free float available, that is the shares available with public is less than 1%, and this 99% of people will decide whether to take the stock up or down and never touch any Adani group of stock is what most of them are telling. But let me tell you, on both the side, upside and downside, we are talking about Adani Group. Adani Power was at 98 when I did the research and told you buy Adani Power, and within 3 days stock goes to 150 rupees, giving over 50% return. I also tweeted in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, saying like this is the time now to exit Adani Power and book profit, and it was at 150 rupees. And last week on Friday, even before Sucheta Dalal's news came and her opinion came on Adani Group of stocks, I told last week itself, a day before on Friday, that be very careful on Adani Group of stocks. You can shift from Adani Group to Tata Group of stocks. And today morning, you see Adani Group of stocks, especially the F&O ones like Adani Port and Adani Enterprises, opening a gap down of 10% on a lower circuit, and further it went to 15% lower circuit, 20% lower circuit, 25% lower circuit, and 25% fall in an F&O stock, even with just 5 times if I count the leverage which you get in futures because you pay only margin, the returns were something like 125% just from Friday to Monday. But let me tell you, everyone will now say Rudra called the market correct. Rudra called Adani Power correct. He told us to buy. We saw a 50% up move. He told to exit, and he even told to shift from Adani to Tata Group. And lot of retailers who are saved by this, they are thanking me. But let me tell you, thanking me is wrong. It is the divine and the power of having faith with the universe is what you people have to thank. There are so many people today who would have given some calls or the other, but then you watched the Easy Money show, you took the action both on the buy side of Adani Power where people made fabulous return on the upside, and then when I told switch from Adani to Tata Group, and I see lot of discomfort and distribution happening, and there you saw the next level of fall. In fact, I want to read this one tweet and the detail given by Sridhar, and he is the CEO of Zoho, and this guy Sridhar is worth around just 1 lakh crore. I repeat, he is just worth 1 lakh crore, and he is the CEO of Zoho. And let me tell you, in the words of Sridhar, and I quote him, my younger self used to think intellect can solve our problems. As I get older, I realize that intellect without humility will only lead to destruction. Greater the intellect, faster the destruction. Humility is expressed through bhakti, devotion, and surrender to the divine. These are words of a man who is worth 1 lakh crore and who is CEO of Zoho and a brilliant brain. And he says, if you think intellect will solve a lot of problems, you are actually wrong. Because intellect without humility is of no use. Humbleness and humility is the key. And he also says you will have a greater and faster destruction if you have more intellect but without humility. And he also clearly defines humility is expressed through bhakti, that is the first one, devotion, that's the second one, and surrender to the divine. And let me tell you, all this analysis is just intellect, but that will lead to faster destruction if it is not added with humility. So, with folded hands, I thank each one of you for being part of this Easy Money show, giving your time, forwarding this video to as many people as possible, and also joining hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Yes, you are never a born Buddha. Over a period of time, even a pedda, that is a fool, becomes a Buddha if he has an open mind to learn, and if the intellect is added with humility, then only it is more powerful. Let me now not say, Maine bola tha. I will only say it is the divine, and the faith what I have in the divine is what has given you guys all this analysis just through me. Yes, a chartered accountant with 5 master degree talks about divine's power, and that is far far bigger than the power what you can see through intellect. The difference between knowledge and wisdom is seen through adding the humility to an intellect. Let me tell you guys, it is so easy to get taken off with this kind of calls, but let me tell you, market is more bigger, supreme, and I am just a small trader and a small research guy who sees technicals through the eyes of market profile. And let me tell you, I am not comfortable even now on picking stocks, and I expect some amount of profit booking to happen. This is a very wild liquidity driven market, and still you can pick up some good stocks which can give you returns like Reliance, which I was shouting from the rooftop. Again, no maine bola tha. You have to be in the right stocks to make money in this kind of a market, whereas last year if you would have bought any stock you would have made money. So guys, do focus more on learning, give time, wait for the sweet ball to come to you so that you can hit the ball out of the park, and wait for the opportunity to come to you rather than you chasing it. And I want each one of you to believe in the faith of divinity, and if you are there and if the divine is with you, then no other trouble comes to you. So always have the divine power and the humility, then there is value for the intellect. So with this, let me just end today's Easy Money show, thanking once again each one of you for giving me an opportunity to share my views on market through your show Easy Money and in your channel Rudralogy. See you tomorrow with more learning. Thank you.